What's the advantage of wheel spacers? Many aftermarkets might not actually fit your car. To solve these problems, the easiest way is to install wheel spacers.
As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety.
Spacers can also solve the big brake kit and other suspension components problem. This spacer's half-centric is accurately fit to the wheel, so as these adapters. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.